You know Andrew Falzon? We call him the man who gave Parkinson's the finger. He's a guy. Oh man, what a fucking fantastic guy! We should have him on like really soon. Nice. So when Andrew basically at age 22, he was already like a bouncer at Fuego or whatever, like thick neck like that.
Wow.
Was doing mixed martial arts when mixed martial arts wasn't even a thing here. The guy was just like fucking hard. Right. Like when you see a picture of him, he looks like at 22 he looked like a tree trunk. But at 24 he contracted Parkinson's, man, this guy. And now he's like 42. And it's like the mental toughness. The mental toughness that came with him doing all the mixed martial arts and all the physical stuff and the bouncing and all of that, he used in order to kind of negotiate Parkinson's.
Right.
And recently, we all kind of got into like figuring out who has the best deadlift. And Andrew would like do his workout, like his 5x5, holding his breath. So he'd do like 5 reps.
Yeah.
Holding his breath, which was like fucking insane.
All 5 reps?
All 5 reps.
Oh, wow.
All 5 reps. And
because I agree with holding the breath because it holds your position.
Yes, but never.
Reps.
Yeah, no.
Oh, wow.
Never. No, like he would get to the
point where you fall over.
To like every position, he's holding his breath. So he's standing up, breath holding, going down.
Wow.
Yeah.
I gotta do it
like
now.
Mentally. Just an animal, man. Just an animal.
Well, I'm gonna do it now. Thank you for the inspiration.
Yeah. I have no idea. I really can't understand how you guys don't know each other.
He did it the 5x5 weight.
Yes.
Heavy.
There's videos of it somewhere around the internet. There's videos of it.
Props, man.
And I think I'm the guy holding the camera, like completely like fangirling the show. Oh fuck!
Nice.
Like completely ruining the experience for everyone else.
I would have fanboyed him.
Grazzi tal-li tissegwu l-podcast, grazzi l-daw kolla li diġà qegħdin fuq il-Patreon tagħna mingħajrkom dax-xogħol ma jistax isir aktar minn hekk jekk inti taħseb li dan kollu li qed nagħmlu b'xi mod valuri huwa siewi f'ħajjitkom, inħeġġiġkom titlu fuq il-Patreon tagħna li huwa patreon.com/Jon Mallia, tagħtu l-kontribut tagħkom min-naħa tagħna aħna nweddukom li se nibqgħu sejrin gas mat-tarrig.